Most beauty treatments that are available today address the physical needs, but do not reveal the secrets of how you can make each cell of your skin glow from within and pulsate with energy and radiance. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric has medicinal type of property to take care of the skin in natural manner. Apply turmeric paste on the skin to get natural glowing and smooth skin. Turmeric powder can be used with warm milk for desired results. 2. Figs. It is one of my all-time favorites. Take 2 figs, anjeer, and mash them. Mix in with a little milk and gentle rub on the face for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash the face with water and pat dry. 3. Avocado. The healthy fruit with aphrodisiac properties works wonders for dry skin. Mash an avocado and apply it onto a clean skin, slowly massaging it. Leave it on for a minimum of 15 minutes before you wash off with milk and then water. 4. Sandalwood and Turmeric. Mix a pinch of sandalwood powder with turmeric powder and add water or hydrosol to make a thick paste. Apply it to scarring or discoloration and rinse after 20 minutes. 5. Persimmon. Take the flesh of the ripe persimmon fruit, then grind it to get a paste. Mix that paste with oatmeal. Apply it over your skin, wait for 15 minutes to wash it off. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.